Now I'll show you how to add a new story. So new story works just like Instagram story, and you can add it for your personal profile on Facebook or for your business page. So basically all you have to do is go to your business page, and here on the profile click on this little plus sign. It opens in new window, and simply create a new post that will be visible either only for 24 hours or in a news feed for longer, or for both, obviously. So you can create it as a post and as a story, or just a story. So let's just create some announcement. Let's pick this nice background, and let's create a post. I just created something short and sweet. Welcome to our new test page, and I choose to have it visible for 24 hours as a story and also as a regular post in newsfeed, and simply share now. Now you can see the circle around your profile. It means that you've got active story. If you want to view it, simply click it. And here it is. So this is really nice, nicely displayed story.